As you can see here, I've taken many shots for this object, like this view around the object, like this scene above, all this scene which I am showing you. It is all very easy to learn, and if you can, it will be useful for you. So let's start the tutorial. Most important, your object. After that, paths like curve, circle, and etc. And simple camera. Next, we need a tracking object for the camera. So these are the things that will help us in this tutorial. First, let's take nerve circle, then make it little bigger as needed. Let's get a camera now. And while I'm pressing on the keyboard, you can see all of them below. Now press Alt G and Alt R, very important. Now come here and select the follow path and choose path, and then click animate path and then click on follow curve. Now as you can see, camera is moving with the path. Now we have to correct the direction of the camera according to the path. So for this, we have to set these axes as I am showing in this video. Now we take a tracking object like this empty. So now let's select the camera and go to this option. Now select target, empty. Now as shown in the video, let's set up the axis. Now let's check how it looks. So as you can see, this camera is orbiting the target. We can also change its direction in this way. And if you want, you can do it too. Make the path as big and small as you can. This camera will follow it only. In this, we have to take the nerve curve and then, as before, took a camera, then gave it all these values and set the axis. And if you want, you can make it bigger and smaller as before. And similarly, you can select more paths that Blender provides you. And if you want, you can get a better view by changing the position of these paths. Something like this. As you can see, this animation is only of 100 frames. So if you want to change this value, then do this. Okay? This will help you in making long animation. What to do if your object is moving? Let me show you. First, select your path and then your object. Now select it, and that's it. So guys, this video is completed. Hope you learned something new, and also subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up, and goodbye guys.